AssetSurveyor is your go-to company for all your surveying needs. We are not just specialists in condition surveying and asset surveying, but we also excel in providing maintenance regimes through SFG20. Our expertise goes beyond surveying, as we offer a wide range of support services, including project management. With years of experience under our belt, we have worked with prestigious clients such as the Ministry of Defence, Airbus, Shell Oil, healthcare sector including the NHS. We have also served the education sector, supporting local authorities, and even the banking sector. When it comes to condition surveying, we have the knowledge and skills to assess the state of your assets accurately. Our asset surveying services ensure that you have a comprehensive understanding of your assets, enabling you to make informed decisions. Maintenance regimes are crucial for the longevity and efficiency of your assets. Through our planned preventative maintenance programs, we help you establish effective maintenance schedules, reducing downtime and maximizing asset performance, while helping you keep compliant for the ever-evolving regulations in the United Kingdom. But our services don't stop there. We understand that managing projects can be overwhelming, which is why we offer project management support. Our experienced project managers will ensure that your projects are executed seamlessly, meeting deadlines and staying within budget, along with being able to provide contractor support and procurement from day to specialist services and construction. So, whether you are in the healthcare sector, education sector, or banking sector, AssetSurveyor is here to support you. Our extensive experience and commitment to excellence make us the trusted choice for all your surveying and support service needs. Contact us today and let us help you optimize your assets and streamline your projects. AssetSurveyor, your partner in success.